What's your name?
My name is Shia.
How old are you?
3,
3? That's a cool age. When is your birthday?
March 18th.
Okay, so you have a birthday coming up, so that means you're about to be 4. You're gonna be 4. Ooh. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to come on here and do my makeup really quickly for you guys. I kind of channeled J-Lo a little bit for this look. You guys know I stand for J-Lo, okay? It's so sticky and I hate sticky glosses, but my lips are so dry and beggars can't be choosers, and it's a lip plumper, so I'll just put this on and let that kind of marinate. My face is feeling a little dry right now, so I am gonna go in with my e.l.f. hydrating face primer. I am having oral surgery done in the morning, bright and early. I am having all 4 wisdom teeth pulled. Yes, like my wisdom teeth were bothering me so bad, I couldn't even sleep at night. And after experiencing that pain, I was like, you know what? No, like when none of the meds were working, I'm like, okay, I need to get these out of my mouth like ASAP. Ooh, you know what? Pixie also sent over this glow mist. Oh, I like this a lot. I'm gonna go in with my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer to just like carve out my brows. So I am going to be fully sedated. So they're gonna numb my mouth and they're going to give me anesthesia too. I'm actually kind of excited about being put under the anesthesia. I've always wondered what it was like. Like I've only seen it in like movies and stuff. So the way that it was described to me, as like you are going to be in like an altered reality. So if they're working on you for like 30-40 minutes, it's going to feel like a minute to you. So I'm excited to experience that. And I'm excited too because I'm just ready to get these teeth out of my mouth. I'm ready to heal. So that way I can go back to just finishing my treatment with Smile Direct Club. I got my little beauty blender. I've been dying to like get this on my eyes. So I might do just like this little grungy, smoky eye kind of vibe. So I think I'm gonna put my BH Cosmetics Capricorn eyeshadow palette to use. Obviously, I'm a Capricorn. It's a little boring in my opinion, but it's like, do we really need 50 browns? Like, are you serious? Like, how many browns do you need? Like, we get it. I'm gonna go in with this top shade here. This is a nice start out for our smoky. And then I'm just gonna go to the very next shadow over and go over here to this one. I'm just gonna stick it right underneath that other color. Like this is gonna be kind of a dramatic eye. See how that just warms it up so much. So now I'm gonna go in with this one here. So just all these like different variations of browns to keep just warming this eye up is pretty much what we're doing. We're gonna go over to this one now. So they also sent over their Endless Silky eye pen, and this is in black noir. I'm gonna put this all over my lid. These are really nice because they are so creamy. Perfect. Now that it's on, we're gonna go in with this one here. Yes, I want to do like one of these like really dramatic smokies. Ooh, now we're gonna take this, the fun part. I'm just gonna put it directly on the eye because I'm thirsty. You never be my wife, not me. I don't believe it.
All of these niggas, I'm tired of all of these hoes.
Alright, you guys, so that is it for the completed look.